Ivan is a gorilla who lives in a cage at a mall. Mall is a place where a lot of stuff is there, a lot of shops where you can go and buy certain things. So in that area, there was a cage in which Ivan was kept. He was a gorilla. He has spent 27 years either living in a human home or at the mall. The story told by Ivan is about how he has nearly forgotten his life in the wild. The book was inspired by the true story of Ivan, who lived in a similar situation for 27 years. So the writer was inspired by Ivan, who was living in a cage in the mall, and this Ivan stayed there for 27 years. He almost वो बिल्कुल भूल गया था कि जंगल में कैसे रहते हैं, फॉरेस्ट में रहना ही भूल गया था वो. So it says the grunt. This is the voice of the grunt is the low voice in which a gorilla speaks. I was born in a place humans called Central Africa in a dense rainforest, so beautiful, no crayon could ever do its justice. वो कहता है कि where was Ivan born? He was born in Central Africa. वहाँ born हुआ था वो. And dense rainforest is a basically very very thick forest. एंड उतना ब्यूटीफुल था, इतना सुंदर था कि कोई भी क्रेयॉन वैसा नहीं बना सकता. मतलब अगर आप पेंटिंग करें या कलर करें तो वैसा फॉरेस्ट आप नहीं बना सकते. दैट फॉरेस्ट वॉज सो ब्यूटीफुल. Gorilla did not name these their newborn babies right away. So they do not name their newborn babies right away the way human do. Like the moment we get a baby, we just name the baby. Right? But gorillas do not do that. So gorillas do not name their baby newborns right away the way humans do. We get to know our babies first. We wait to see hints of what might yet be. So वो वेट करते हैं पहले अपने बेबी का और देखते हैं कि बेबी किस तरह का है. उस हिसाब से फिर उसको नाम देते हैं. When they saw how much she loved to chase me around the forest, my parents decided on my twin sister's name Tag. तो उसने देखा कि वो नाम देते हैं जो एक्टिविटी आप करते हैं on the basis of the activity you do. ठीक है. So when they saw how much she loved me, she's talking about his sister. Right. She used to be just after, Ivan. So the parents named his sister Tag. Tag is, something which is attached to the other thing. Know how I loved, oh, how I loved to play tag with my sister. She was nimble. Nimble means very soft. She used to move very quickly, very swift movement. But when I got too close, she would leap on to my unsuspecting father. Unsuspecting means when you do not know what is going to happen, right? Then I would join her and we would bounce on his belly until he gave us the grunt, the sound that meant enough. So ये टैग जो थी ये उसकी सिस्टर थी और दोनों खूब दौड़ा करते थे. Used to run around and she was very swift. She used that is where the word nimble is used. She was very swift, very fast. And the moment they used to come close to each other, so the sister tag used to jump on the father. And the father was very unexpecting कि वो कभी भी he can get angry. So once she used to jump, then Ivan used to also jump on the father's belly, means on the father's stomach. उनके पेट पे कूद जाते थे. And तब तक खेलते थे जब तक कि वो पापा गुस्सा करके नहीं बोलते थे. Enough. Now grunt word here is used for the loud noise. Okay. That game never got old, means they used to play it every day and they were never bored of it. मजा आता था इन्हें बहुत. Although my father might have disagreed, वो कहते हैं कि उनके पापा के लिए वो बहुत डिसएग्रीमेंट होगा क्योंकि पापा के ऊपर वो कूदा करते थे तो पापा को कभी नहीं लगा, पापा तो थक गए होंगे. Now mud. It did not take long for my parents to find my name. All day long, every day I made pictures. I drew on rocks and barks and my poor mother's back. I used to snap from leaves. I used the juice from the fruit, but mostly I used mud. Now, this fellow Ivan, he used to, do what? He used to make pictures. He used to make pictures on the rocks, on the barks of the trees. That means पेड़ों के वो बनाता था. मम्मा की बैक पे बनाता था ये. और किस चीज से बनाता था? Sap of the leaves. Sap means the juice of the leaves and the juice of the fruits. उससे बनाया करता था. Liquid plant जो पेड़ में से लिक्विड निकलता है ना ट्रीज में से, उससे बनाता था. एंड ज्यादातर ये क्या यूज करता था? ही यूज टू यूज मड. एंड दैट इज व्हाट दे कॉल्ड मी. एंड पेरेंट्स व्हेन दे केम टू नो कि मिट्टी से बहुत खेलता है तो उसका नाम क्या रखा? दे केप्ट हिज नेम एज मड. To a human, mud might not sound like much, but to me it was everything. क्योंकि humans को मड ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा, but उसको वो बहुत अच्छा लगता था. Protector. My family, which humans call a troop. Now, the group of gorillas who live in a family is called a troop, was just like any other gorilla family. There were 10 of us, my father, the silverback, my mother, and three other adult females, a young male called the blackback, and two other young gorillas. So इसकी फैमिली में कितने लोग थे? There were 12 members. ठीक है, एक तो उसके फादर थे, सिल्वर बैक थे उनका नाम, उसकी मदर थी और थ्री और अडल्ट फीमेल्स थी, तो ये हो गए. फिर एक यंग मेल भी था जिसका नाम था ब्लैक बैक, और दो और यंग गोरिल्लास थे. टैग एंड आई वर द बेबीज ऑफ द ग्रुप. तो टैग और मड कौन थे? बेबीज ऑफ द ग्रुप. We fought from time to time, but my father knew how to control us with a simple scroll. अब क्या करते थे कि they used to always run from one place to another, but जो उनके father थे, they knew कि इनको कैसे डांटना है. तो scroll means हल्का सा डांटना, angry look, गुस्से से देखना. So they used to get scared of him, right? Who used to get scared of him? Tag and Mud. They used to get scared of the father when the father used to look at them with anger. And for the most part, we were happy to do what we were meant to do. क्या काम करते थे? What were the gorilla babies meant to do? This was a question that can be made. So they were meant to feed and search for food and nap and play. Nap means sleep. They used to sleep. So this is what gorilla babies used to do. कि वो they used to खाना खाते थे, वो खाना ढूंढते थे, वो सोते थे और खेलते थे. My father was a master at leading us to the ripest fruit for our morning feast and the finest branches for our night nests. So his father, he's saying that my father was a master in finding, ripest fruit में सबसे अच्छा पका हुआ fruit morning feast के लिए. जो मॉर्निंग में वो खाना खाते थे, ब्रेकफास्ट जो करते थे उसके लिए दे ही यूज्ड टू फाइंड फादर यूज्ड टू फाइंड अ वेरी नाइस वेरी राइप फ्रूट, एंड फॉर नाइट रेस्ट दे यूज्ड टू फाइंड वेरी नाइस ब्रांचेस वेयर दे कैन गो एंड स्लीप. He was everything. He was everything. A silverback is meant to be a guide, a teacher, and a protector. So he was everything. That is why the name was silverback. And he was basically a guide who can tell what is to be done. He was a teacher to guide, to help them, and he was also a protector to protect the family. Next part talks about the perfect life. Gorilla babies, elephant babies, and human babies are not so different, except that a gorilla goes to spend the day riding on his mother's back, right? So the elephant baby will not ride on the mother's back. Human babies rarely go and ride on their mother's back, but gorilla babies, they used to ride on their mother's back throughout the day. उनके पीछे बैठे रहते थे पीठ पे और सारा दिन घूमते रहते थे. Slowly, carefully, a young gorilla begins to grow, to go further and further away from the safest. Sorry, just give me an excuse. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So slowly, carefully, a young gorilla begins to go further. Further means far away from where they used to live. Farther and farther away from the safety of their mother's arm. He learns the skills he will need as an adult. How to make a nest of branches, weave them tightly, or they will fall apart in the middle of the night. So this is what they used to do. They used to first play with their mothers. They used to be on the back of their mothers, and then slowly and gradually they learned how to go far away and try to look for certain things. They used to learn the skills, means they used to learn how to make a nest where they could sleep at night, and they used to collect the branches of the trees, and in such a way that they can sleep in it comfortably without the branches falling off. They also learned how to beat their chest. You all know that the gorillas, they actually beat their chest just to show their stamina and call others. So they used to beat the chest. They used to learn it from the adults. Cup your palms to amplify the sound, and they used to make the sound louder by making the cup of their hands, जो हाथ को ऐसे हल्का सा बेंड कर लेते थे कप शेप में, एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू बीट देयर चेस्ट. उससे क्या होता है कि साउंड ज्यादा आता है चेस्ट का, फ्लैट हैंड्स के बजाय उसको हल्का सा बेंड करके कप की तरह रखे, एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू बीट देयर चेस्ट सो दैट साउंड कैन मल्टीप्लाई, साउंड कैन एम्पलीफाई, मीन्स साउंड कैन बी मेड वेरी लाउड. How to move from tree to tree, this is also they learned from the elders. And how to be kind, strong, and loyal. As a young gorilla, you make mistakes, you play, you learn. You do it all over again. It was for a while a perfect life. So he said that time when he used to learn so many things, it was a perfect life. He used to learn how to make sounds from their chest. He used to learn how to make a nest where they can sleep properly, nest of twigs, and he also used to play a lot of games. He used to play. He used to make mistakes and then learn from the mistakes. So he said that that was a perfect life. The end they are talking about one day, a still day when the hot air hammered the human caves. Now वो कहते हैं कि बहुत गर्म दिन था, एक हॉट एयर हैमर्ड में बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी हो रही थी, और उस समय कौन आया जंगल में? ह्यूमन आए. कौन आया? ह्यूमन बीइंग आए. Wine. After they captured my sister and me, they put us in a cramped dark crate. उन्होंने कहा कि उन्होंने क्या करा, उन्होंने सिस्टर, इसकी सिस्टर कौन थी? इसकी सिस्टर का नाम था टैग. टैग और मड को दोनों को पकड़ा और कहाँ डाला? इन अ डार्क क्रेट, एक केज में डाल दिया, बहुत डार्क था. Somehow I knew that in order to live, I had to let my old life die, but my sister could not let go of it. She kept thinking about our home all the time till she fell very sick. तो अब क्या हुआ कि जो ये जब ये केज में आ गए तो इसको आयमन को पता था कि आई नीड टू लिव, आई हैव टू फॉरगेट अबाउट माई ओल्ड लाइफ, आई नाउ हैव टू लिव द वे दे पीपल आर गोइंग टू कीप मी. बट उसकी जो सिस्टर थी वो नहीं कर पाई, और वो बहुत ज्यादा घर के बारे में सोच सोच के बीमार हो गई. ठीक है. फिर आता है द टेम्पररी ह्यूमन. Temporary human means, let's see what they're talking about. It was Mac who opened the crate. Now this man whose name was Mac, उसने crate खोली. Mac who took me, and Mac who raised me like a human baby. Mac उसको ले गया अपने साथ. Mac ने उसको अपने human baby की तरह बड़ा करा. I drank from the bottle. I slept in human beds, sat in human chair, listened while human words swarmed around me like angry bees. वो सुनता था जो लोग बातें करते थे, उसे समझ तो नहीं आता था. He was not able to understand. उसे लगता था जैसे बहुत सारी गुस्से वाली मक्खियां जो हैं घुस घुस आवाजें निकाल रही हैं. दे आर बजिंग अराउंड हिम. बट वो उसको अपने घर में रखा उसने, मैक ने उसको उसको खाना दिया, बॉटल से खिलाया, उसको बेड पे सुलाया, ह्यूमन की सारी चीजें दी उसे. मैक्स वाइफ हेलेन was quick to laugh but quick to angry too, especially when I broke something, which was often. So मैक की जो वाइफ थी हेलेन, वो बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा होती थी और बहुत जल्दी खुश भी हो जाती थी. कभी वो मर्ज जो है कुछ तोड़ देता था तो वो नाराज हो जाती थी, लेकिन फिर ठीक हो जाती थी. I broke the blender when I squeezed 3 tubs of table toothpaste and a bottle of glue into it. So he said that he broke a blender. Blender is a mixer grinder which he broke. And what? How did he? He squeezed 3 tubes of toothpaste and a bottle of glue. उसने 3 toothpaste डाल दी और एक glue डाल दिया. ठीक है. I broke my toe attempting to swing from a lamp fixture ऑन द सीलिंग. लैम्प फिक्सचर में जो आप ऊपर छत पे लाइट लगाते हैं अपने दीवारों पे, तो फिक्स्ड होती है वो, उसके ऊपर वो झूलने की कोशिश कर रहा था, और ही वांटेड टू स्विंग ऑन इट. और उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि लैम्प टूट के नीचे गिर गया. आई ब्रोक 46 ग्लासेस. वेल इट टर्न आउट देयर as many ways to break a glass. तो ये कहते हैं कि मैंने 46 ग्लासेस तोड़े हैं, और हर बार कोई नए तरीके से तोड़ता था. It turned out there were many ways to break a glass means कि हर बार एक नई तरीके से ग्लास टूटता था. पहला तरीका समझ जाता है ऐसे ग्लास टूटेगा, तो अगली बार में फिर वो गलती ना करके दूसरी गलती से ग्लास टूट जाता. So how many glasses he broke? He broke 46 glasses. Every weekend, Mac and Helen drove me to a restaurant where they ordered something for me. I went to baseball games, to the grocery store and to a movie theater. तो हर रोज जो थे वो ले जाते थे वीकेंड में, हर वीकेंड में सैटरडे को ले जाते थे, और कहाँ ले जाते थे? बेसबॉल गेम खिलाते थे, ग्रोसरी स्टोर ले जाते थे, मूवी थिएटर दिखाते थे, इवन सर्कस उसको लेके गए हैं. ठीक है. दे डिड नॉट हैव अ गोरिल्ला. सर्कस में गोरिल्ला नहीं था. आई रोड अ लिटिल मोटर बाइक एंड ब्लू आउट कैंडल्स ऑन द बर्थडे केक. माई लाइफ as a human was an exciting one, although my parents would not have approved. तो कहते हैं उसकी लाइफ बहुत खुशी वाली थी, हालांकि उसके पेरेंट्स को ये पसंद नहीं आती कि इसके पेरेंट्स